good afternoon or good evening. It's evening now, isn't it?
Yeah.
What time is it roughly? It's going towards 7 o'clock
Yeah,
now, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so good evening. It's Sunday evening. Good evening, everybody. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. Right, you know, when you see my niece Kayla here, my gorgeous Kayla, come here.
Yes,
When you see my niece Kayla here, you know it's time for us to do the... Oh god, this box is heavy. Degustabox. So this is the Degustabox for September. Actually, let's do our profile pictures. Let's stand there. Come here. Smile, smile. There you go. That's fine. All right. So Degustabox is a monthly snack box subscription. It costs £12.99. If you use my discount code down below, you can get £5 off your first box. So you'll get your first box for £7.99. What you'll get inside the box each month is a range of products. It's usually about 10 products, and it's a range of products, usually shelf life stable kind of things. It will be I don't know, cooking ingredients, snacks, treats, drinks, new products to the market which they want to introduce, or it could be the big brands introducing new flavours, that sort of thing. Sometimes the month has a theme, so we shall see. So here we go. This box has got a bit of weight to it, so I'm interested to see what's in here. And it's September, it's back to school, so I'm expecting the theme will be something along those lines. So let's have a look. So it's just got here September box and no theme. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, no theme again. Last month there was no theme either, was there? So we've got no theme. All right, let's go. So I'm going to ask my niece Kayla to pick stuff out, and we will go for it from there. Okay, take out what you want. Right, this thing is the first thing. So we have got Ryvita here, which is the first item. So we've got Ryvita cracker bread. This is £1.59. So Ryvita cracker bread is our lighter British baked cracker breads, are packed full of whole grainy goodness, perfect for a cracking snack. Load it up with your favourite toppings and get crunching on these light and crispy family faves. Top it and scoff it. That's what it says here. So it's available in the major supermarket chains, and you should receive one in your box. So that's what we've got. So this flavour, is it just any particular flavour? Oh, it's just the original one. Actually, I quite like these. They're nice. Have you tasted these? They're just like nice little breads. Because I admit, I don't like the original Ryvita. It's a little bit too wholesome and wholemealy for me. But these are nice. So, but I think Gabby's my daughter, she'll probably eat these. So we'll put that over there. That's the first item. Come on up, next. I didn't show you the leaflets. We've got a couple of leaflets here. What's that?
Weird things.
You want to show that up to camera? So this is from Chipoy's, is that right? Yes, Chipoy's. Chili and lime flavour. This is £1.99. So this is popular American chili and lime rolled tortilla chips, produced in Mexico with intense authentic flavour and a real crunch. Okay, so tortilla chips. Available across independent and symbol convenience stores and Amazon. You want to open? I know you do. I know you want to open. Go ahead. I'll do the next one. Okay. Next is from Jordan. So Jordan's we know for doing their cereals and flapjacky sort of things. Okay. What's that like? Oh, not liking it? No? Is it quite a strong flavour? Okay.
I don't like it. It's just weird.
It's not bad. It's the texture and the style is very much like wheat crunchies. You know, like wheat crunchies, Chris? It's very much like that. It has got a little bit of a bite to it, a little bit of the chilli, but it's not too bad because I'm not someone who likes chilli. But okay, I'm saying that now it's starting to hit the back of my throat. Oh dear. All right. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's got a bit of a kick to it. It's not bad. Yeah, you've got to like chilli because it's definitely hitting. Oh gosh, it's hitting the back of my throat here.
I know.
Oh blimey! Right. Okay. Right, let's get back to this. So this is Jordan's. Jordan's no added sugar granola. £3.60. Our clusters are made with no added sugar or artificial sweeteners. We then simply add an abundance of fruits such as juicy dates, apples, blueberries and zingy cranberries, so each mouthful is a fruity, crispy and crunchy joy to your taste buds. Available at Waitrose. And you'll receive one of these in your box. That's alright. I know someone who's going to eat these.
Is that okay?
No, Gabby will eat those. She likes those. Yeah. Okay, so that's two things Gabby was going to like. Pasta. Okay, we've got some good pasta here. This is pasta garofalo. Oh, pasta garofalo. Let me get this right. Pasta garofalo. Right, let's get it all right.
Yeah.
So all my vowels in the wrong place for me. So this is rigatoni pasta. This is £2.50. Rigatoni is a large tubular pasta shape, perfect for chunky sauces and baked pasta dishes. The thickness, size and ridges give character to this pasta shape. Garofalo pasta is best served al dente. So when you cook it, you don't cook it too much, so it gets all soft and soggy, so it's still got a bit of bite and texture to it. And 13 minutes in salted boiling water is perfect for our rigatoni with your choice of sauce. So this is available on ocado.com, amazon.co.uk, booths and local stockists. I mean, you can get this in all supermarkets. I've seen this in everywhere. And this is a decent brand of pasta. Right, what we got there?
This thing.
We're going to hold that up. What is that?
I have a 0 point, so...
Doesn't look like something...
It's a muffin.
Simply Cook? Yeah, you're right, it is. Okay. So this is Simply Cook Gohan Curry or Creamy Chorizo Penne. Oh, blimey. Right, what is this? So this one is Gohan Curry. Good, I'm glad. So this is £2.50 and it is Simply Cook is your helping hand in the kitchen that makes cooking simply delicious, affordable and flexible. Cook 140 plus chef created recipes in 30 minutes or less with their unique recipe kits. Okay. Each kit comes with 3 pots of pleasure packed with up to 23 ingredients, adding extraordinary flavour to your meals. So available in the major supermarket chains. You should receive 1 item in your box. So it's a kit, is it? Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Look. So it's like that. So we've got 3 flavour pots. You've got a masala paste, coconut paste and a spice blend. And it's ready in 20 minutes. So, and they've given you a recipe here. So you can buy 250 grams cod fillet or chicken breast, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes and 200 millilitres of coconut milk. Okay, and then you can make this. Interesting. Okay, we'll definitely do this week. Well, me and Gabs will do this week. Oh, I don't know. Ooh, you're not going to be here.
Yeah, I won't.
You won't be here to try it. Unless I can keep it for Saturday. But it's not enough to feed sort of 6 people.
Yeah,
definitely not enough to... Yeah, this is probably just enough for 2 people, if one about 4. Interesting. Okay, I haven't seen these before. Interesting. So that's what I mean. That's something new there, which I've never seen before. What we got next? This is the product of the month. Can you take it out? So this is passata. I just bought some passata this week on Thursday. And it's this brand I bought as well. Oh well. So this is product of the month. So this is from Mutti, regional passata, Tuscany made with Rosara tomatoes. And this is £2.70. I didn't pay £2.70 for it. It was a lot less. Mutti's regional passata Tuscany is made using only the highest quality Rossaro tomatoes from the Tuscany region, harvested at their peak ripeness and processed within 24 hours. The Rossaro tomatoes are grown in the heart of the Valle d'Oro in Tuscany and brings a distinct fruity flavour to this smooth passata. It's available at Sainsbury's and Waitrose. Why I like that one is because it's got a good tomatoey taste. It's very natural, but it's got a slightly sweet flavour, and it's because it's proper ripened tomatoes, so they do taste nice. Okay, what we got there? Oops. Oh, we got Sweeties.
Mine.
Sweeties, okay, you can take those. So those are from Frutella, and this is Out in Space Jelly Sweets. These are £1.50. Delicious Frutella jellies in moon, planet and rocket shapes in pineapple, strawberry and peach flavours. Jelly in texture and made with more real fruit juice, natural colourings and flavours, perfect for sharing. And it's available at Co-op. Compared to, they say you could compare it to, it's got more fruity. You know what, I'm going to read that again. So it's delicious Frutella jellies in moon, planet and rocket shapes in pineapple, strawberry and peach flavours jelly in texture and made with more real fruit juice. There we go. Natural colourings and flavours, perfect for sharing. That's better. And it's got more real fruit juice in comparison to the Frutella Juicy Chews. And you're in there already? Tasting good? Yep. All right. Okay. Let me take out the next item then. So this is 6 o'clock London Dry Gin and Tonic. Okay, now we go. Because we're going to go out in the garden after this, so this will probably get drunk immediately. I'll just get some ice. So this is a G&T for gin lovers. Classic, refined and exceptionally well balanced. This gin and tonic is made using our iconic London Dry gin and naturally premium tonic water. Enjoy this delightful combination on the go, at home or wherever the spirit takes you. Available at Co-op stores and Ocado. This is £3 for this tin. Yep. I might be drinking that immediately, so I'll just put that there. Just get my ice cubes ready to go. Right, what's next? Oh, this will be good. This is from Wagamama. Wagamama is one of our favourite restaurants, isn't it? Yeah, we love a Wagamama. Right, so do you want to show that? So this is Wagamama house dressing. VG, is that vegetarian? I think that's VG, that's what it stands for. This is £2.50, but it's got two little asterisks. So it's £2.50. Which is price is at the sole discretion of the retailer, so it might not be at £2.50. You might get it more, we might get it less. Okay, so since opening our first restaurant in London's Bloomsbury in 1992, Wagamama has set out to create a unique way of eating, aspiring to bring the fresh and nourishing flavours of Asia to all through simple, balanced food that hits your soul with a bang. I'm reading really badly today. I'm so sorry. Let me hold this up because it's a bit heavy for you. Right, start again. This is Wagamama, and this is a house dressing. I think VG stands for vegetarian, and it's £2.50, but the price £2.50 is at the discretion of the retailer. Right. Since opening our first restaurant in London's Bloomsbury in 1992, Wagamama has set out to create a unique way of eating, aspiring to bring the fresh and nourishing flavours of Asia to all through simple, balanced food that hits your soul with a bang. Discover our house dressing inspired by our iconic katsu curry side salad. This bold dressing is packed full of fragrant flavours like shallots, soy and garlic, and is the perfect addition to any salad. So yeah, Gary will love this. Why I was reading that funny is because they've written this all out with no commas and no full stops. There's no capitals, there's basically no grammar, so that's why I was having difficulty in reading this. There was no natural breaks in the way how it was presented. So that's cool. We like that. What's that? We got two of those. Those are energy drinks, I think. So this is from Green. You want to hold those up? If you can. So this is from Green, and it's cola and lemonade, £1.19 each. Healthier, more natural and tastier soft drinks without aspartame. Green drinks are all low, no sugar and low calorie, providing a healthier, more natural and tastier refreshment. Crafted using the finest ingredients, including natural plant-based stevia and bursting with real fruit juice to deliver maximum refreshing taste. So available at Sainsbury's, Holland & Barrett and on Ocado and Amazon, with free delivery for Prime customers, and you should receive 2 in your box. So we've got cola and lemonade. Okay, I'll keep one and I'll give one to Grandma.
This one's the lemon. This one's the lemon.
That's the lemon. Okay, find out which one she'll want.
Cola probably.
Oh, we've got some, looks like tortilla wrap. So this is from Mission. Can you hold it up? Yep. This is from Mission. These are plain extra large wraps. And these are £2. So big appetite, love burritos. Mission plain XL wraps will be your new favourite wrap. Perfect for the big occasions when regular wraps just don't cut it. Make the biggest burritos, largest nachos or lightest wrap pizzas and more with these soft and tasty 30cm big wraps. Available at Asda. It's got a short expiry date, so suitable for home freezing. Okay. These are great for making lunches. Absolutely fantastic for lunches. They are huge, aren't they? Mm. What's the date on these? So yeah, best before 28th of September. So yeah, these will get used up in the next week or so. Yeah. See if your mum wants to take these actually.
Yeah.
She's going to take it? Yeah, she's going to want that?
I'm gonna have it.
Oh, you're going to take that? Alright, okay. And that's it. That's our box this month. Cool. What do we think? Good box?
Yeah.
I think there's something in there for everybody really, wasn't there? So we've got the gin, which I'm going to have straight away. We've got the 2 soft drinks from Green, which we are happy with. I'm going to keep one and I'll give one to my mum. My mum's diabetic, so she shouldn't be having all this kind of... She likes sodas, but she shouldn't be drinking them. We've got the passata sauce, which is good because that's just a good basic ingredient. We've got the Simply Cook. I think this is what I'm most excited about to try. The Simply Cook Go and Curry. I'm looking forward to trying that actually. Yeah, looking forward to trying that. We've got the pasta, the rigatoni, so that's all good. We've got the Rivita cracker bread, so that will get eaten by whoever in this household, probably me and my daughter. We've got the Wagamama salad. I can see my daughter using that because she has a salad every day. You've got the chips, the Chipoy's chili and lime sort of, what do they call them? Tortilla chips. We weren't sure about that. Had a bit of a kick to them. I like the texture because they remind me of wheat crunchies, but it was a little bit too much chili for me personally. I can eat one. I couldn't eat the whole packet. The Jordan's granola. Yeah, excellent. That's good. Yeah, good box. Really good box. Yeah, happy with that. Very happy with that. So £12.99, guys. So I think that was a really good value box for me personally. Again, if you want to sign up for Degustabox, please use my code down below for your first box. You know, don't pay the £12.99. Get your first box for £7.99. Right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. You want to say goodbye, Kayla?
Bye-bye.
Yeah, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Take care. See you soon.